We are in ठारोशा.
This is it. This is your roots.
This is the roots. That's where I came.
We get out?
Sure.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sindhi केर ॻाल्हाईंदो आहे? Where the ठारोशा starts, and when the partition happened, people were putting their belongings in just one, like a bed sheet, tying it up, putting on the shoulder and walking.
Just walking out of town.
Just walking. They did not know where they were going even. These poets were saying, Vanyan tha, vatan ke chadinda, juda thi vatan kha, vanyan tha chadinda. That means they are leaving their town very sadly, and they don't know if they will ever come back again.
Can you sing it?
Vanyan tha, vatan ke chadinda, juda thi vatan kha, vanyan tha ladinda. That means they are leaving, and they are leaving their town, and they are separating from their birthplace. But see, they didn't want to be really probably very sad also. They just, whatever came to them, they just were, whatever is going to happen is going to happen. And if you take the misery more happily, it becomes like a less miserable. Hingorani kite randa ha? Itte randa. Hingorani? Kite? This is my ठारोशा.
So you walk through here, does anything look familiar?
I think that sewer looks familiar, and that those doors, they look familiar.
These doors over here?
Yeah, one of these doors can be my house.
Really?
Yeah.
You want to knock and take a look?
We can try, see if somebody will open.
It's worth a shot. We've come all this way. I see some movement back there.
अंदर आ सकते हैं? सलाम अलैकुम. सलाम अलैकुम. मैं देखना चाहती हूँ कि मेरा घर है क्या? मैंने ना छोटे बेटे तो देखती हूँ मैं ऐसा ही था, लेकिन अभी we used to have like this.
Courtyard like this?
Courtyard like this, and the swing used to sit like in this one portion.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's amazing. Can you believe I lived in some place like this?
Do you think that this was your house?
Something, if not exactly same house, but something similar. It may be same house.